This is another unit, right? Where's every label sticker on that? I'm just trying to move that again, and it weighs a ton. If you try and balance that down by yourself, you're just asking for trouble, and you can't see what's in them. So if people don't tell you, how are you supposed to know that's packed with rolls? Do you know what I mean? Huh? Savvy? So what we do here, all these are in. What I like to do is, I like all these bang on, yeah? No matter where you go, every single one, we've cut these panels down to perfection, and they're all bang on. As you can see, a couple of mil gap to the floor, so they're just hanging off the floor, not exactly on the floor. Bang on. My pet hate is units not level. These walls aren't level, just pull the unit off slightly. People say that these levels are no good. These levels are beautiful. Just what we need. They're not expensive. About 50 quid for the set of 3. 6 months, throw them, buy some more. Bish bash bosh. Set of 4. Set of 4. And look, everything bang on. This is my pet hate. I hate it if stuff ain't bang on. Centre of the bubble, yeah? Centre of the bubble. Every single time. Centre of the bubble. Every single time. All directions, do you know what I mean? I just love it. Because if something ain't bang on, yeah, my eye's like a laser. I don't even need this laser. I mean, I don't even need this level because my eye's like a laser. So you make sure it's bang on. I've glued the backs of them. Can't get up to screw them. So we've had it now, it's Friday. Do you know what I mean? So we're going to clean up. When I come back, we'll cut into that. And we'll put some clips on there, put some clips on there. Panel work's done, kitchen's virtually in. Not bad for 2 days. And now it's home run. Everybody have a good Friday. Busy day tomorrow. First week. See this unit? This unit nearly killed themselves on. Right, there's no heavy label on this unit. How am I supposed to know what's in it until I open it? You know, you got cardboard on it in front of it, no heavy label. The weight of this, my poor back, I am injured. Do you know what I mean? I haven't even got my trolley on it. My fitter's mate, but it weighs a ton, that unit. It should be marked up. That it's an heavy unit. Because how's the fitter supposed to know? Are we telepathic or something? So I mean, to wrap cardboard round them, and then how are we supposed to know that's every unit? When I try to lift it with one arm. You ladies like that, don't you? Do you know what I mean? You ladies like that, Bish bash bosh, don't forget like, share and follow. Health and safety, good unit. And the builders left us all this floor. I'm only kitchen fitter, do you know what I mean? On this job. I shouldn't have to be doing this manual labour. This is what labour's for. Now we just need to run a line of units along there. Integrated fridge, which is going to go in, well, not integrated, big American fridge freezer. But the problem is, because the roof is so high, you can't put a panel on and then get the tall unit up. You can't put the legs on and then get the tall unit up because it's not long enough. So you have to lift it to the ceiling, jam the legs on, and then drop the unit. It's very tricky. But MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms can manage. Bish bash bosh. Yesterday, this is where we got to. So it's looking good. Ladies, this Christmas, I don't want none of your dirty underwear, you know what I mean? That is not sort of guy I am. What you can do is, my PayPal's on front of my page. Just donate. Bish bash bosh. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Ladies, this Christmas, I don't want any used underwear, you know what I mean? I'm not that sort of guy. But if you want to send me dirty pictures, feel free, do you know what I mean? But I don't want that either. I want straight into my PayPal, do you know what I mean? Pound notes. Makes Mickey sing. Bish bash bosh. Whenever you cut something, you need to seal it. Now you can seal it with PVA glue. Normally I have a tub of glue, but my mate sniffed it, I think, and I don't know where it's gone, do you know what I mean? So I am using the good old silicone. which will seal it, and this will seal it beautifully. Make sure you wipe it all. Yeah. Oh, you like that invention, don't you? You've got to make sure that all that's sealed, and see this lip here? All this is sealed, yeah? Otherwise, when the old mop lady, I say lady, I shouldn't really be like that, should I? Because people would say, no, ladies don't clean no more. I agree, do you know what I mean? But, in theory, that is why they've got smaller feet. Get closer to the kitchen sink. They're facts, not fiction, do you know what I mean? Bish, bash, bosh. But, in life, it don't happen. You like that, don't you? Again, oh, there's a lady here now, I best shut my mouth, haven't I?
Filming?
Yeah, it's alright, I'm finished. Make sure you seal it, and it'll be beautiful. And then, sure, some of us act braced with a silver spoon, and we can't afford Festa tools, you know what I mean? So, what we have to do is we have to do. This is the old-fashioned way. Do you know what I mean? Old-fashioned way, very simple. This will be as straight as zoom. So today, my first tool is this mjckitchen. I love this mjckitchen because this little mjckitchen very sharp. And I know it's very sharp because I cut 3 of my fingers off. Not this one specifically, because this is a brand new one. And it won't this one either, because I'm not in turn with them, that's why I have to have 2, you know what I mean? Because I use them that fast, it gets that warm, it just burns. So what you have to do is measure. I always leave a 40mm plate, so I work to the millimetre with a blade. That blade's 2mm blade. This is razor sharp. The only thing what you have to remember is, see this shiny surface? You want to flip it on the other side because the blade's turning round and it's cutting along it. So you want the blade ripping up, so the surface which you want is on the bottom. Now if you're using a chop saw, it's different because you can bring it down on the chop saw, so the blade's going down and you want the surface which you're cutting, which you want on the top of it. Put on a circular, it's on the bottom of it. So you get your panel in like that. You make sure you mark a few marks so I can see my dots there. And then, this is all. What you have to do is when you go in, don't go in slanted or slanted. Go in and just let your hand guide it. Is the best razor cut you will ever have. Can you see that in the light? Can you see that in the light? Now that is what you're talking. You know what I mean? You don't need all these gadgets for £1,000. Just need 50 quid, bish, bash, bosh, Mickey's tips. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Right, so when we've got a load of tall units like this and you're struggling, you can't bend this, you can't physically, see that? You can't put the legs on and get that up to the sky. You can't physically put the legs on. So, put the batten on you. Get your unit like that. Get it on, up to the ceiling. Get your legs on it. What we have to do, lads, is find the hole anywhere's a goal. Yeah, I tell you what, Christmas is coming up. There'll be plenty of goals, won't there? Hopefully I'll be able to find it a bit better than this. That's one. and that's 2. And then, no, the good thing about this is, we don't have to level them all. Do you know what I mean? We already know they're going to be level. We already know it's going to be level. You know why we know it's going to be level? Because we've got us batten on. So now, straight away, bang, over one, boom, on. We know it's exact same height, exact same level. We can lift it up and just put them back legs in. Bish bash bosh. Job done. Mickey's top tips. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Right then, so we have got 3 tall units. 1, 2, 3. Now these tall units go on to the ceiling. Because the ceiling is slow. So what we're going to do here is we're going to get his laser. Because you can't put the legs on and tilt the unit up. Because it hits the ceiling. Do you know what I mean? So what we have to do is we have to somehow get the unit stuck to the ceiling, jam the legs on underneath, but instead of that I have got another plan. A plan of action. You like this plan of action, do you know what I mean? This is why you follow MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms. So what we're going to do is, we're going to get a laser, because now we like it bang on, lads, bang on, yeah? Bang on, see that bang on there? Then what we're going to do is, look at that, it's just bang on and bang on. So now, you know what we're going to do? We're going to bring cameraman here, we're going to put some 3x2 on this wall from there to there, all the way down, and then that way, these tall housing units, we will be able to just go like this, like this, like this. Tilt it forward, put it on the 3x2, and then just tilt it back, and it'll be up in the sky. Do you know what I mean? Bish bash bosh. Don't forget to like, share and follow for all these handy tips. Just a brainwave. Instead of struggling, because if we felt the weight of these units, do you know what I mean? I know these pecker arms are strong, but they're not that strong. And don't forget to like, share and follow, and don't forget to share my videos. If you're only my Instagram, don't forget to get over onto my Instagram. If you're not on my YouTube, get over onto my YouTube channel, Bish Bash Bosh.